by. You can see here on the left I have something called Calendar Snack app up and running. It's talking to the AWS Calendar Invite Server. This data here is for the MLB, and let's get into the data set itself. It's for the 20th of July. You can see the games coming up here in the picker. For the 20th of July for the MLB. That data has been loaded in to the AWS Calendar Invite Server, and I'm just picking out games here as part of the demo to show you how our APIs work and sending out calendar invite information. So you can see here for 7:20 there's a 4:30 game. It's Diamondbacks versus Cardinals. What I'm going to do is generate a upcoming landing page and send out a calendar invite for that particular game at 4:30. How would I do that? Well, I'm just going to paint the screen. We call it decorating an upcoming landing page. It pulls out all upcoming events out of the bucket, the S3 bucket, and visualize them here in for the demo. I'm going to put in Zach's address, zach@techvader.com, pretending he is somebody I shared this upcoming web page with. And I'm going to scroll down here and look for the game. And I believe that game was, let's go over here, make sure I get my games right. And let's pick out Boston Cubs. I haven't sent any calendar invites out for that one. So I'm back here to the Cubs. You'll see it right there. I'm just going to click this button here, and what's going to happen is a calendar invitation is going to be sent to Zach, and we're going to be able to track it. Now, there's Zach's calendar invite there in his inbox. He's going to say yes to the game. How would you know that? Well, let's go back here. Let's take a peek at the Cubs. You'll see when I click this button here, we've received one calendar invite, and that calendar invite came from a landing page, and that calendar invite is for a RSVP total of 0. So you're going to see what I'm going to do is I'm going to capture the calendar invitation receipt right there. So Zach has accepted over here, and this is the full details of the Boston game. Thanks for stopping by. I will show you one more slide to kind of show you what technically went on. So we had a UID endpoint we called. We match it to Zach here, and we send out a particular game out of the database of the AWS Calendar Invite Server for that game by Zach filling in his name and address up here, clicking one calendar invite to get, and we send out a calendar invite to be tracked. That's it. Thanks for stopping by.